Quick Override. It enables instant coloring of elements in views through keyboard shortcuts. The multi-step process of graphical adjustment is eliminated, simplified to a single key. Work is performed faster and more intuitively while maintaining full control over the visual aspect. Organization, quality, and project presentation are all accelerated. Now let us see how it works in practice. Remember, you must first select the elements you want to color. Otherwise, the program will prompt a warning. Let's select a few elements on the drawing and choose the Quick Override tool. We select the color pink by pressing the letter M on the keyboard. Now let's select additional elements and use the Quick Override tool again. This time, let's select the color orange. Now, select all elements and restore their original color by pressing the letter D on the keyboard.